So where are we today?
Today we are at Touch a Truck, and I haven't been here for a year and a half, so it finally came back because of COVID. So let's go see what they have.
Oh, I see Coastal.
Yeah, I do as well. So this is the first time that I've seen a coastal waste at Touch a Truck instead of a waste management, and it's a pretty nice snack. So this is what the back of a street sweeper looks like when it's tipped up.
Should we look in there?
No.
What's up?
Nothing. So what does this truck basically do?
Well, our job is to respond to a severe incident on a highway, in our case I-95 or I-75, and mitigate the scene, which means if we can help with oil absorbing or patching up the roadway or closing a lane or closing all the lanes if we have to, we have all the equipment to be able to do that. Starting with 110 cones in the back of the truck. We have arrow boards and lights that flash arrows. It's off right now, indicating to oncoming vehicles which direction to be headed towards. And our job is to get that lane open for drivers as quickly and safely as possible.
Yeah. It's hard to get into, but it's not hard enough. Got three.
Is it? Not now.
Yeah. Look, you're next.
Yeah.